Ever needed to move money from your Revolut account directly into your PayPal, wondering if it's even possible? While a direct send to PayPal button doesn't exist, we'll walk through the most common and effective method linking your Revolut card to PayPal. First, open your PayPal app and navigate to the Wallet section here. You'll want to select Link a Card or Bank. Choose to link a debit or credit card. This is where your Revolut card comes in. Now switch over to your Revolut app to retrieve your card details. You'll need the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Carefully enter these Revolut card details into the corresponding fields within the PayPal app. Double-check for any typos. Once submitted, PayPal might perform a small, temporary authorization charge to verify the card. Don't worry, this amount will be refunded. After verification, your Revolut card will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. Now you can transfer money. To transfer funds, simply initiate a payment within PayPal, and when prompted for the payment source, select your newly linked Revolut card. Be aware that standard PayPal fees for transfers might apply. Transfers from a linked card are usually instant, but always check your Revolut account for any daily limits. If you encounter issues, double-check all card details. Ensure you have sufficient balance in Revolut, and if problems persist, contact Revolut or PayPal support for assistance. And just like that, you've bridged the gap, sending funds from your Revolut account to PayPal. Smooth and simple.